Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to rate a seller on Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you made the purchase. Then, select Marketplace at the top of your screen. Once you're in the Marketplace, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then go to Inbox. This is where all your Marketplace conversation and transactions are stored. Then look for the item you purchased or the conversation you had with the seller. Tap to open it. Then select Rate Seller from the list. Here, Facebook will then ask a few questions like, did you buy the item, how was your experience, and any additional feedbacks. Answer this honestly, then tap Next or Submit, and your rating will be submitted. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.